to use CueCam Presenter, you need a Mac and you need CueCam. And so the website shows you all sorts of other stuff that you can do, but really all you need is a Mac and CueCam Presenter, and that'll get you started. And if you've got an iPhone or an iPad, it's just going to multiply what you can do. This is the website for CueCam Presenter. You can download it without logging in or connecting or doing anything. There's just a download button up here. And when you download, it'll give you a quick video that shows you the steps you're going to need to take. But basically, you're just going to extract that file and drag it into applications and then just launch it from applications. So once you install CueCam, before you can start using it, and by using it, I mean select it in your Zoom calls or select it in your streaming software as a camera and audio source, you're going to need to give it permissions, and there's a camera extension and a virtual mic. So I think some people get caught on, oh, I've given it camera permissions, but that's actually a distinct thing from installing a camera extension, and the camera extension process is a little bit weird, and that's due to limitations of what Apple have set up for developers. So you're now going to get this checklist. There's 5 things on here. We've got camera permissions, mic permissions. Let's just go for the mic permissions is here. Screen recording permissions is here. Camera extension permission is here. And the virtual mic installation is there. So the first thing you're going to see is that sort of flurry of when you launch the app, it's going to pop up those usual windows. So can I have permission? And you see these little things getting lit up. Screen recording, you have to go and turn on a thing, and then you'll see that kind of go checked once, or it may be you have to relaunch for this one to show up. I think it says relaunch. You can install the camera extension clicking on a button, and it's going to give you these little screens now just to show you a preview of what that window is going to look like. So just make sure you click on open system settings, and then when you get to the next thing, it does this little animation to kind of show you that the allow button is what you need to be clicking on. So when you see that here, you're actually going to be able to spot it. So that's just something I always feel it's like a really confusing step. So it's just something I wanted to like really make clear. And then the next thing you'll do is click the button there to install the virtual mic. And then once all of those are done, it's going to say reboot, and you're just going to restart your computer. And then when you come back, you're going to be ready.